Hey, what's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. This is going to be kind of a short video. I just want to get everybody's opinions. When it comes to making your own Senkos, do you use, salt in your bait, or do you use like a sinking additive? There's plus and minuses for both. We'll start with the sinking additive. When you use that, the bait's going to be a lot clearer and it's going to be more durable. It's going to have the same, sink rate as it would with salt. With the salt, it's going to make it an opaque bait, so it's going to be less clear. It's also going to make it a little less durable. I'm going to be honest with you, I use both. I love the salt. Buying the original Senkos, the Gary Yamamoto Senkos, when you break it in half, you can see all that salt, and you just start thinking, I got a lot of faith in the salt in the bait. But what does the salt really do? Some people believe that the salt in the bait will help the bass hold on to it longer, and without the salt, using the sinking additive, that the bass is not going to hold on to it as long. Anyways, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. What are your guys' thoughts? Are you using the salt or are you using sinking additive? And I've also talked to a lot of people, and they say, I don't use salt or sinking additive. I'm using, a Texas rig where I have a bullet weight or whatever on there, and that's what's going to make it fall. Well, so I guess this video is for the people who are fishing it weightless. If you're going to make weightless Senkos and you want the same sink rate or fall rate, whatever you want to call it, are you using salt or a sinking additive? Like I said, there's pros and cons to both. So what do you guys use? Let me know. Comment below. That guy Skimpy. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. Make sure to take a look in the description and look for the links that I'm going to be putting in there. The links are straight to the products that I'm showing in these videos, and they're actually affiliate links with do-itmolds. So if you click on the link and you buy it, they know that you watched the video and they know that I sent you. Anyways, appreciate the support. That guy Skimpy.